Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to draw on Google Maps. So to do this, you'll need to use Google My Maps instead of the standard Google Maps app or website. So once you've signed in to Google My Maps, so click Create a New Map at the top left corner, then select Create to start a blank map. Now, after a moment, your new untitled map will load. So you'll see the map interface where you can zoom in or out. You can add locations, import data, and create custom drawings. So to draw on the map, navigate to the area you want. So for this example, I'll zoom in to a location in Victoria. Next, click the Draw a Line tool. So here at the top, you should see this icon right here that says Draw a Line. Click on that. Then choose Add Line or Shape. So click on the map to place your first point, just like so. Then continue clicking to create additional points. So I'm gonna point it like this and that. So to complete a shape, connect the last point back to the starting point. And once you're finished, you can give your shape a name and save it. So let's say poly 1, for example, then click Save. So after that, Google My Maps will also display information such as the distance or size of the shape you've created. So, in addition to drawing lines and shapes, you can also create driving routes, add markers, and customize your map in several other ways. And that's basically it. So, that's how you can easily draw on Google Maps using Google My Maps. Thanks for watching.